So here's the Smoke Leak Detector SDT 203 by Autool. Today is July 12, 2021. It's about 10:52 in the morning. I think I paid about $230, $229 for this thing off of Amazon. And the reason I bought this one is because of this cone. This cone by itself is about 30-40 bucks. But this is not the reason I bought it. I knew that this would be a problem. You can see that intake manifold is just too big for this. It doesn't create a leakless seal. So this is actually why I bought it. I knew that this cone was not going to suffice for bigger inlets like this. So this device here is supposed to be able to inflate it, and it's supposed to get up to about 6 inches, I believe. So this video here is just to let me get past this temperature sensor here. There we go. There's the temperature sensor right there. So let's continue to inflate it. Bad thing is this darn valve is right where you pump, and you can hear it. Oh, must have a pressure regulator that only lets you inflate it so much. Okay, yeah, it's fully inflated now. And now you can get this little hose and you put this here. They give you a good long stretch of hose. I've got to be about 7 feet away or so, 7 or 8 feet away. So now I get this little hose and I'll put it right on in here and get ready to use it. But this video is simply to show you this little bladder device, because this cone obviously doesn't fit. I've seen the cones that are a lot bigger. They're about 3 or 4 inches wider, so this is just a lot narrower. And I was going to just buy this bladder and a cheap little detector for $100. But this bladder alone is about $30, $33 I think on Amazon, and the cheapest device is about $100. So you're already about $140. So I figured for an extra $80, more or less, I can get this one. It's got a little cute little flow meter on it, and some extra accessories. So I figured I'd go and get this one. Looks better if I go up to a client and bring out a little cheap one. It's not gonna look as good. Smoke test, about $100 per test if something shows up. If nothing shows up, then I don't charge anybody anything. But it's $100 just to smoke a vehicle. Thanks, bye.